My life gets messy when I don't take care of myself. That is when I pause and I remember these simple practices to align myself with life. Time in nature for creating internal harmony. Reflecting on my internal feelings and needs. Rest without guilt. Play is vital in feeling alive. You are a beautiful being with your unique gifts and life experiences. Is that not worth taking care of?
I watched the campfire reignite and realized nature doesn't just survive, it regenerates. What if our technology could do the same? Give back instead of just taking. We can create tech that harmonizes with nature, inspired by its smartest design. By embracing regenerative technology and making thoughtful choices, we can actually make a difference. Even the smallest action can create a ripple effect that all add up and are equally important. Let's build a future where technology and nature thrive together, one choice at a time.
I spent most of my childhood indoors, lost in my books. Later in life, I began to connect with nature through hikes and daily walks. As I learned how to approach nature, to understand it and trust it, I also started to experience it as my home. I think home is where our needs for safety, connection, and beauty are met. Nature can offer all this if we learn its ways, respect its integrity, and open up to its wonders.
Green spaces have always been my sanctuary. They offer peace, connection, and the moment to breathe in a busy world. Time spent in nature restores my sense of balance and helps me reconnect with myself. Even in the heart of the city, green spaces remind us of the importance of nature. They are where life slows down and communities thrive. Green spaces aren't just for the planet, they are for us. By nurturing nature, we nurture ourselves. Let's protect these spaces for the peace and joy they bring.